So what we'll do is we'll see a quick demonstration of the ADF mobile platform. Hey, thank you very much for joining us, David.
Thank you. Okay, so this is I'm going to do a quick demo through the user interface in JDeveloper, and then I want to spend most of my time showing off an application that was built with ADF Mobile. But development is declarative. There's a visual preview, right? So you can see what an application is going to look like as you're developing it. The majority of the application's user interface is implemented using XML, right? But any business logic that you write for the application or that you need can be written in Java, right? So everyone already has Java skills, so that's really helpful. And then when you want to deploy the application, as you already said, you can deploy this, you can package this for deployment to either iOS or Android, right? So let's spend most of the time here just showing off some of the features within an application that we built. It's a demonstration application, but it showcases some of the componentry that we have in ADF Mobile. So this is an order dashboard, and it's an application that shows off orders within an ADF Mobile application, right? So here I can see orders by region. This is a thematic map, right? So I have the count for each respective region. If I click on a region, you can see that the gauges at the bottom here are updating. And again, all this was defined in XML. It's not a lot of code. If I look at the trend, you can see trend up or down by region. I can click on the regions again. This is all changing. Charts are updating. And then if I want to look at bestseller, right, I can also see that here. We're overlaying some graphics. If I click on bestseller here, you can see this is also a base map where I've drawn some points on here. And if I click on one of these points, you can get a little bit of extra detail, right, about a part. Right. Let's take a look at customers. Right, so here you can see it's listed alphabetically. I can collapse or expand the list. All of this has been styled using CSS3, so that's a standard, right? Everyone has expertise in their enterprise for CSS. The chart at the bottom is interactive. If I click on one of these other accounts that has more orders, you can see that this is actually an iterator component. So within here, within this frame, we can house any number of other types of components. You could have charts that are interactive or links that go off to other pages, et cetera. If I look nearby, you can see integration with maps, right? Mm-hmm. And then the last thing to show off, this is aesthetically not as interesting, but it's a very important point in terms of the demo, is that we have integration with device services like email, right? So from within the app, you can actually bring up email and send an email. So you get access to device services such as SMS, camera, email, et cetera, et cetera. So in summary, there's really three things here. Number one is that there's declarative development, right, where you can deploy something to either iOS or Android. Number two is that you can leverage Java. People already have a lot of Java expertise. And number three is that it's based on ADF, and it's aligned with the rest of ADF. So if you already have ADF development expertise, you already really know how to use this framework today.
Okay, very cool.
Thank you very much. Thank you.